we have this formula which will find the angle between two vectors, right? It's kind of similar in some respect to the law of cosines, right? Which is where we were able to use the cosine function to find the angle in a triangle. And this formula is made up of things that we understand now, right? The numerator is a dot product, okay, just did it. The denominator is two magnitudes, okay, we did that in the last lesson. So that is how you find it. Now, we will have to do these three things, right? Dot product, magnitude, magnitude. Do the math, turn it into a decimal, and then how will we find the theta once we know what the right-hand side equals? You got to take cosine inverse, right? So you'll fill in everything you can. You'll have cosine theta equals some decimal, and then you'll do cosine inverse of that decimal. That'll be your angle. So find the angle between two vectors. Right. Here's our formula. Cosine theta I don't know what this is about. Let me try that. Cosine theta equals u dotted with v divided by the magnitude of u times the magnitude of v. Okay, well, what is u dot v? For these two vectors, 4 times 3 plus 3 times 5. 12 plus 15, 27. Okay, what is the magnitude of u? Right, what's the operation? The square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared. Which is 5. And what is the magnitude of v? The square root of 3 squared plus 5 squared. Which is 34. So we're going to put all of that into this formula on the right-hand side. The cosine of theta equals 27 divided by 5 times the square root of 34. The cosine of theta equals, use your calculator, turn it into a decimal, 27 divided by 5 divided by the square root of 34. 0.9261. Come on, don't walk up on me again. Okay, so the theta equals cosine inverse of 0.9261. Second, cosine inverse, second, enter. 22.2.